Security fails in the seconds before you know there's a problem. Seismic Shield protects your property from below the surface, long before anyone reaches your home. Hidden underground, each sensor detects footsteps through vibrations in the ground. Cameras see the world, but they also see shadows, wind, and animals. Seismic sensors detect only real intrusion activity. No noise, no confusion. The moment someone enters your perimeter, Seismic Shield reacts. Your AI camera verifies if it's a real threat. You get notifications only when it matters, never for shadows, pets, or wind. Because everything is hidden underground, your garden stays exactly the way you designed it. Seismic Shield by SensoGuard. Protection you'll never see, for threats you'll never have to face.